Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do mobile or Windows app development like you used to see in the market and used for AI image, video and other things generation. I'll show you by using board AI, which will be used for front end React, and in the back end I will use two server component. Actually, one is Python and another will be ComfyUI workflow. So let's start it. First I have to go to the bold.new. I already have an account. If you don't have account, you can create from here. So I'm just going to open the application that I had before I developed. This is the code. Let's see the preview first, so we will get an idea that how to do it and how it look like it exactly. So just wait for a moment, it will appear on the screen. This is the thing I developed completely by Bold AI, only giving the prompt and they used to do all these things. All these things are working here. For example, if I click on how it works, use plan, and even if you want, you can create an image here also. See the other features like image to video, where you can use upload any image, then type your prompt and click on generate video. It will generate the video. You can select the model. I put some PD file which I'm going to use later on. Then there is AI influencer, where you upload your image and choose the style and location and generate image. It will generate the AI influencer images. Very cool, right? Then see the dress change. Nowadays there is a trend that many app users, they want to use this one, but my thinking was a little bit different. I want to give user option in the mobile, so they will upload their image. For example, they went to some shop and they just want to check without putting the dress how they will look like. So they will upload their dress and images and then choose the details, and then if they choose their birthday, they will give the preferred color. People who believe in astrology, they can also use it. Select the dress, upper wear, lower wear, underwear or something. Whenever they will select this one, it will come accordingly. So they can upload the picture of the dress or take photo by camera and then click on generate. So it will automatically show them how they will look when they put that dress. So this is a new concept. Actually, many people are demanding this kind of app, so I just decided to make same like that. The last one is baby's AI video. You upload your baby's image, boy or girl, give some age limit, type how you want to look at him and check the duration. Duration is very important here, because the more duration you will take, it will cost you more, because we have to use GPU power. One thing I forgot to tell you, that there is a style selection, like you want to look your baby like a cartoon, teacher, doctor, lawyer, chef, writer, scientist, artist, singer, painter, worker, whatever you want. So these are the things I'm going to show you how I develop by simply bold AI without code, and then in the next episode I'll show you how to do the backend and front-end connection and using ComfyUI workflow for each section. So let's go back and then we can do the other things. So let me open the canvas, and then I just want to make it little bit bigger so you can see what the prompt I used here before. It's very easy. Prompt is the most important thing here. If you give the prompt properly, then it will be creating one of the best result for you. Okay, so I will show you exactly what are the prompt I used and how it was going on and everything. But before we start, you have to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you like and share it also. I created this app in 2 days actually, not spending too much time, like given 1 hour and 1.5 hour every day. So this is the first part. Actually I click there, so where I can show you what exactly the prompt I given, and I will share the prompt with you also so you can do it. So what I did, I went to the chat GPT and create some SDD or SRS, whatever you say. Purpose of this project is to develop a mobile application that utilizing AI powered creative tools to generate image from the user provided text to image, convert user provided image into short video. Key AI provider and integration will change the integration following, like AI, Luma, Delphi. I can use any actually image popular company who are running their API to use and generate the image. After generating the image, I can do many things. So this is the initial framework, just giving the option for image generation, where user will enter in the text and click on the generate button and viewing the result, and then if required it can be clicked to generate a video also. These are the initial plan I made on that time. So just like a drag and drop interface builder. This kind of builder you automatically see many places, and there should be some API endpoint as well as Google authentication to maintain the user. Okay, and if I use many API, so those APIs should be taken care of. For example, someone want to make a video on Kang AI or in Luma or in Midjourney, so they don't have to register there. They simply come to this app and select it, and they can build the image or video whatever they want. At the same time, I put some additional workflow that I built or modified, like babies AI video or clothes changes that I extended actually. So those things can also use here. So let's see. Okay, these are the main things actually I planned. At the same time, I keep OpenAI, DL3, also Flux Pro. Flux Pro also have video. I don't know if people have idea or not. At the same time, Leonardo also offered the movie option. So Midjourney also have the same. So instead of registering to all different app and paid subscription like $60-70 per month, so better you can subscribe to one app and use as per you go. That is my main thing. But I will offer n number of APIs, so people can choose anything. Of course, video charges will be little bit higher, because the GPU will take more time to generate the video. Other people offering like 5 second 10-second video. I have a plan that I will offer also like 20 to 30-second video also. I already make those workflow where it can generate the long videos in a good quality, so that will be also included here. But I will show you only one part, like image generation to you. You can extend this project because I will share the code as well as the workflow as well as the backend Python code, so everything will be there. So these are the prompt. Whenever I give, immediately Bolt AI start working. So it create initially the React basic pages like package.json, approved tool XML, all the necessary file, and then it open the preview. Then it give me instruction, okay, what exactly they do: image to video creation, gallery view, user authentication. Whenever there is any error, it automatically modify the error. So they just use this kind of technique. They automatically check and rewrite the program. One thing I like to mention that Bolt AI is basically run on token. When you register, there will be some token. For example, if you want to check your account, then you can see how many token are left there. For example, I have left 17.2 million token, rest 10 million in 20 days. Okay, you can reload the token. That means whenever they run any code, actually it consumes some token. So have to be careful. When you write the good prompt, it will give you the good result, and use less token. So if they have a default habit that they used to modify all the things, but if you specify which file have problem, so they will use less token. So for example, here you see it start writing all the files again, but in some next prompt I told them to use only the specific, so they just use some specific pages where have problem and generate the review. So this is the way they start using the prompt. All the prompt I will provide you. So whenever it's finished, I just ask for the structure of the tree, how I will install locally. That should be also mentioned, because this project we are not going to run from the Bolt AI. We want to use it locally by React, or maybe using Visual Studio to change the code later on. So I just give them the prompt to give me the tree structure and the file name, so I can download. Download is very easy. You can go to the export and download, and then you can install it locally under a folder. Folder name can be anything, but you have to create the source file, and then under that you can keep it. File name is automatically there when you unzip this file under the source file, src actually. So it will automatically open, and dependency they will tell what to install, what not to install. So that is a good thing for Bolt AI. They guide you, okay, what to do, what not to do. In the next day, actually I create the main part where it start generating the interface. So whenever I go up, you can see that it's a long day actually. So they automatically start creating that how to run this project, okay, and these are the components they start creating. So these are the things. I'll provide you what exactly the prompt I given you, okay. I say do the same for AI influencer, where it will open the new page. User will do the following: upload a single image or multiple image, style from the multi-select checkbox, casual, party, beach, romantic, dinner party, nightclub, blah blah blah. Then location, whatever the things I want in the drop down list box that I mentioned. If I go to the AI influencer right now, so whatever I talk, select multi-select these are the things. Okay, so I already mentioned that multi-select checkbox, so it not give me drop down list box. So by this way, when user click on generate button, and there should be option for back to home also, so they already created. I said now do the same for the dress change, where user will open a new page, okay, upload the picture, and then dress changer. Let's see the dress changer. Okay, first time I told there will be a upload the person picture, that means here you have to upload your full body picture, so the dress can be set there. Gender, male or female, I already specify. And dress type means upper, lower, okay, underwear, everything I mentioned here. You can make it more. Then select dress name, okay, what type of dress. If it is change, it automatically change, and then click on the generate button. At the same time, as they are AI, they automatically use some option for upload and take the dress picture from the camera, mobile camera, and click on generate button. An option for, of course, go to the home page also there. At the same time, if I go down, okay, I again give some option. I said select model name, drop down list box where image or video convert. Then this is talking about this page, image to video conversion. Okay, there I give this option because I forget this model part. So even you forget, they will automatically adjust the screen and everything for you, and then they add whatever I ask here. And in the birthday, in the drop down list box of this dress changer, where this dress color they can choose as per their birthday to start with. At the same way, they create all these things. Then again I give the new requirement, change the title of AI bay generator to AI babies video. So this one initially they give something different, so I want to change that one. Okay, drop down list in the baby's style. Okay, select a style, what kind of style they want to select, then upload a picture of the baby. Okay, gender, then age of the baby, duration of the video. Okay, text box for from, generate button to show the video, and of course there is a back to home page. So by this way the page creation was completed. I say create a subscription plan for free, starter, professional, like this. So whenever I give this request, they generate this page automatically. I don't have to give anything extra, just this prompt, that's all, and they created everything for me. Later on I have a plan to add the payment gateway from here, so that also maybe I show in the another part of the video. Now after this one they make and tell me how can I install it locally. You have to appreciate them first little bit, like great job, so it will be good for them, for the bot. So then they say I have to do all these things, and then I have to clone the project in the directory and have to install it locally. So what I did, I download this one and go make a directory, and this is the actually backup I get. So this is the backend, it was not there before. So actually you will get this file and this package file and this one. Node model automatically install when you give this command npm install. So whatever in their package, it was installed already. npm will install automatically by looking at the package.json file. Very easy, not tough. I think anyone even don't have any idea about the programming, they can also do it. And when you want to run, you have to give this command npm run dev, that's all. and it will open a port like this one, and you can do it. So this is the thing I want to deploy this application also, and they will deploy for it and giving a virtual place where I can see this one. Okay, so everything is very easy. So now analyze the code. I given some sample code where I want to connect the backend also. For example, in the opening screen I was looking for this prompt. Initially it was not there. I say I'll give this sample code of React where in the another project they are using to connect my backend and generate a image. So this one also I provided some sample code. By understanding or analyze that one, they immediately change the package.json and create the appta updated. So this is very easy actually. If you have previous project and you just give them, they will do it for you. So after developing this one, this I will say that this is the port where I want to send the messages for generating my image. So they already predefined in the my code in Python. So they just use that code and attach the JavaScript part inside. So same procedure they do like this. So let's see, go and check what exactly they did with this one. Again, after you finish the project, you can download this from here. It will be download as zip file, and then you have to explore that one. Let's open the Visual Studio, and I'd like to open the project. Open project folder. I keep this file in D drive, so this is the folder I select. So these are the things automatically come. Only thing I have to install here, that is npm. That's all, nothing. Npm install, that is the command. As it is already there, then it will be automatically create this node module. Backend code I had already, so that I show you in the next video, but today I want to show you how exactly it run locally. In my backend, ComfyUI server is running. Now I am executing some workflow, so today it's not possible for me to record, because until this process is finished, I cannot show anything here. And this is a big animation going on in the back, so it will take some time, but I can show you little bit about my backend. In the backend folder I have a workflow. That workflow is very simple, one Flux workflow which will generate the image. Okay, I'm using the basic model, Flux model and Fluxen model, and there is some dimension, predefined case sampler. That's all. Normal 4-step workflow of Flux. I use normal workflow first to show the demonstration. You can extend your project at any time. This is the workflow, and there is two files, imageapp.py, where I used to put my backend code. These are the things already up to import, and then I have a predefined path of ComfyUI output folder. So this is the only code I have to write to open the port 5000, but there is a workflow 1 file also. This workflow 1 file is the most important part, where it will call the ComfyUI server, open the WebSocket, and then generate the prompt and sending it to the server. It will process the case sampler, and until case sampler is finished, it will not show the images, and then on the output directory it will bring the last image generated. It will load the workflow, check the format. If it is not proper format, it will convert it into a JSON dump and format it, and return the image to the imageapp.py. So requirement is very simple. These are the requirement.txt. I will give this entire project file when I finish this project. Maybe I will take around 2 days only to show up the entire project and deploy you the code in my command. So let's see how it work. So first you have to start your backend. To start your backend, okay, you have to read the readme.file. I already created the Python environment, so I only have to do this one. I have to activate the Python environment first. As I am using Windows, this is the command. Okay, so I have to go to the backend. Actually, there is the command already there. I just missed little bit, so just go to the backend and then do the same command. This was the part of other project actually, so I used some parts, so other things was also there. So let's learn the backend. Backend will be run on 5000 port, so I don't have to do anything here. Just close this one. You see Python is running. I open another terminal actually from here, so that is I'm going to run the npm run day. So I just copy this command from here and go to the Visual Studio and simply run it. For your case, you have to install npm, of course. Okay, I believe this code I generated only 3 days before, so it will not give any kind of error if your environment is okay. So now it's opening the same application locally. Let's see it can generate an image or not. Again, today I cannot show you the image generation because my ComfyUI is busy. So in the next episode I'll start from the same position, but only want to show you the same thing you can see here or not is running fully locally. So I try the AI influencer, same. I can try this one, same, and this one also same. I do one thing more while generating this one. I told them to make it little bit mobile friendly, so whenever I squeeze this app, so it will be generated automatically like a mobile app. In my previous some video I already show how to generate a mobile app from ComfyUI workflow. You can follow my channel and you will see Python code for make mobile app using React, as well as you can see how to create a web development app using ComfyUI workflow. So that's all for today. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. At the same time, please share and like it also. Your subscription, like, share will motivate me to make more professional video like this. I saw many YouTuber making the videos only to show the workflow. Workflow is available in the internet, but show the real life work. Exactly I'm trying to do that. Workflow is 100 of workflow available, but this type of code and how to interact with ComfyUI, with backend and front end professional, nobody want to show. Nothing to hide in this world. This is open source world. You can generate the same code with Cloudy also. Actually I have a Cloudy account, but Cloudy have some limitation. But if you ask me, Bolt AI actually using the Cloud Sonnet. So I'll show you how they are working together. Thank you again. Have a good day.